Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present my creamy shrimp bisque recipe. If you're looking for a naturally low-carb, delicious meal in a bowl, look no further. This easy-to-make bisque has a ton of flavor, and a little spice of course. It's great right out of the pot, or saved in the refrigerator for a little later into the week. Let's get started. We'll start with our seasoning blend by adding some salt to a small bowl, followed by some ground black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, some Old Bay seasoning, and a little cayenne pepper. Give this a mix and set it aside. Prep 12 spears of asparagus by cutting off and discarding the bottom inch. This area tends to be a little on the tough side. Cut the spears into half-inch pieces. Add the asparagus to a pot of boiling salted water. Blanch for 5 minutes. This will help to soften them up just a bit while still remaining crunchy. Remove from the hot water into an ice bath to stop the cooking. Now, as a note, I prefer to use fresh shrimp, but using raw frozen shrimp takes a lot of work and mess away, as these are already shelled and deveined. Just be sure that they're thawed before we use them. Add a tablespoon of oil to a 2-quart Dutch oven or rim skillet on medium-high heat. Add a half cup each of diced celery, onion, and green bell pepper. Cook for about 7 minutes or until the vegetables soften. Remove the vegetables from the pot, and in the same pot add 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Add 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum and whisk until combined and the butter just begins to brown. Now I'll be using seafood stock here, but vegetable or chicken stock works just as well. Add some stock to our pot along with some heavy cream and give a mix to combine. Add our spice blend we put together earlier and give another mix. Now stir in our celery, onion, and bell pepper. Add a drained 8-ounce can of sliced mushrooms and our asparagus. Give a stir to mix. You'll see our bisque is already starting to thicken nicely. Now turn the heat off and add our thawed shrimp. Mix well to incorporate the shrimp throughout the bisque. Now this is an optional step, but I like to put the pot on a baking sheet before putting into the oven, just in case there's any bubbling over. Cover the pot with a lid or foil and place in the middle of a preheated 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. When it's done, remove and uncover. If there's any fat or oil like you see here, simply stir it back in. I really wish there was a Cinevision so you could get a whiff of how delicious this aroma is. Ladle the serving in a bowl and enjoy a homemade shrimp bisque second to none. Delicious. There you have it, folks, my creamy shrimp bisque recipe. A ton of flavor all in one bowl. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.